All right, welcome back to the plant. One of the biggest benefits of using our ice panel system is your speed of construction. Something we're continuously working on in the plant is improving the sequence of panels that are in the bundles that arrive to your site. Our goal here is that the next panel you need will be on the top of the bundle. As soon as you unwrap it, your panel can go into your wall. We've had feedback from clients that have said they can do 200 panels in one workday because of the sequence that we've been improving on. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head to gspp.ca, talk to our team about how we can get started on your design.